Hey everyone, welcome to Life Insurance USA, your go-to channel for simple and practical insurance education. If you've ever wondered, what exactly is life insurance? Do I need it? Or how does it work? This video is for you. Today I'll explain everything you need to know about life insurance in the USA, clearly, simply, and updated for 2025. So, make sure you watch till the end, because this one video can help you secure your family's financial future. Before we start, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future videos from Life Insurance USA. So, what is life insurance? Let's start with the basics. Life insurance is a financial contract between you and an insurance company. You pay regular amounts, called premiums, and in return, the company promises to pay your beneficiaries a death benefit when you pass away. In short, you pay a small amount regularly, and your family gets financial protection if something happens to you. Think of it as a safety net for your loved ones, so that even if you're gone, their financial stability remains. It's not about expecting the worst, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. So, why is life insurance so important? Here are the top 4 reasons. First, income replacement. If you're the main earner, it replaces your income for your family. Second, debt protection. It helps pay off loans, mortgages, or credit card bills that you might leave behind. Third is future security. It can support your children's education or even your spouse's retirement. And finally, peace of mind. You can rest easy knowing your family is financially safe no matter what. At the end of the day, life insurance isn't for you, it's for the people you love most. If you agree with that, type protect family first in the comments below. Now, let's break down how life insurance works. It's actually quite simple. First, you choose a policy and a coverage amount. Second, you pay your premiums either monthly or yearly. Third, if you pass away while the policy is active, your beneficiaries get the payout. And this payout is usually tax-free. Simple, right? The key is choosing the right type of policy for your specific needs, which we'll talk about right now. There are 4 main types of life insurance in the USA you should know about. Let's start with term life insurance. This covers you for a fixed period, like 10, 20, or 30 years. If you die during that time, your family gets the payout. If not, the policy just ends. It's best for affordable short-term protection. The pros are it's low cost and it's very easy to understand. The main con is there's no payout if you outlive the term. If you're young or just starting out, this is often the best and most budget-friendly option. Next up is whole life insurance. This one covers you for your entire life and it builds cash value over time. It's best for lifelong protection combined with a savings component. The pros are a guaranteed payout and that cash value growth. The biggest con is that it costs significantly more than term life. You can think of it like owning your home. It's more expensive upfront, but you build value over time. The third type is universal life insurance. This policy gives you flexibility. You can often change your coverage or your premium payments if your life circumstances change. It also builds cash value that earns interest. It's best for those who want that flexibility. The pro is adjustable coverage, but the con is that it can be more complex to manage than other types. And finally, we have variable life insurance. This type combines insurance with investments. Your cash value can go up or down depending on how the market performs. It's best for people who are comfortable with investment risk. The big pro is the potential for higher growth, but the major con is the risk of losing value if the markets fall. So, to keep it simple, choose term life for affordable protection. Choose whole or universal life for lifelong security, and choose variable life if you like investing. Comment below which type sounds right for you. I'll do my best to help guide you personally in the comments. So how do you choose the right policy for you? It really depends on your goals, your family, and your budget. Here's a quick checklist to help you out. First, decide how much coverage you need. A good rule of thumb is 10 to 15 times your annual income. Second, think about your family's lifestyle. What are their monthly bills, education costs, and any debts? Third, choose your duration. Do you need short-term protection with term life or lifelong security with whole life? Fourth, compare quotes from trusted companies. Look at providers like State Farm, Prudential, or New York Life. And fifth, always read the policy carefully before you sign. Make sure you know exactly what's covered and what's not. If you want me to make a step-by-step video on how to calculate your ideal coverage amount, type yes, make it in the comments below. Alright, the big question. How much does life insurance actually cost? Well, it depends on several factors. Your age and your health, your lifestyle, things like whether you smoke or drink, the type of policy you choose, and of course your coverage amount. But generally speaking, a healthy 30-year-old can often get a term life policy for around $20 to $30 per month. That's less than what most people spend on coffee every week. And the younger you buy, the cheaper it stays. So don't wait too long. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. First, life insurance is a financial safety net for your loved ones. Second, there are different types to fit different needs. Term, whole, universal, and variable. Third, you should choose a policy based on your budget and your long-term goals. And finally, the earlier you start, the more you save. Remember, life insurance isn't about death. It's about protecting the life and the dreams of your family. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Life Insurance USA, and share this with a friend who needs to understand life insurance. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more families make smart financial decisions. Also, let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. Maybe how to buy life insurance online, or the top 5 US life insurance companies for 2025. Thanks for watching. This is 313 from Life Insurance USA, helping you protect your future, one video at a time.